Take me back to the old Valon shore, where the history lives and the waves still roar. Levuka, the first and the best. Past the 17 steps and the old cacao drove, there's a town built of timber, of stone and of clove. The royal hotel's built standing so tall, with the ghosts of the sailors hanging round in the hall. The first train of Fiji where the light used to shine, in 1874 we were doing just fine. Oh, Levuka, my heart's old capital town, where the mountain is green and the sun's going down. From the pigeon post days to the Pafco line, the spirit of row baby teas aging like wine. Put the spurs on my horse and the boat and the sea. Levuka, you're always the home for me. Walking down beach road, dusty and white, feel the manner of the chiefs and the turning of tide. The old school bell ringing at my wrist and now peace in the cradle of the nation we're truly blessed. Saruli Totoka, the view from the peak, it's the peace and the quiet that the travelers see. Levuka, the place of my birth, the most beautiful town on the face of the earth. The town is staring at the end of the day, while the country reggae music begins to play. From the Mission Hills down to the Blue Lagoon, we'll be singing to the rhythm of the rising moon. Where the Union Jack threw in the sky so blue. Now the flag is our own, but the memories stay in the wooden shop fronts of yesterday.